Hi guys, welcome to another day of crafting. So today we are going to be making a surprise card. So what you're going to need is paper, some crayons, color pencils, markers, whatever you have on hand. Make sure you have a black marker, something black, and you are going to need an extra sheet of paper just in case you're using markers so you don't stain your table or whatever you're drawing on. So what you're going to do first is you are going to fold your white paper in half. You're going to fold in half like this, hamburger style. Now what you're going to do next is you're going to take one side and you're going to fold it to the middle. So you have something like this so far, right? Then you're going to flip it over and you're going to do the same thing. Bring it back to the middle again. Crease both sides, make sure that they're good. Then you're going to unfold just one side. Doesn't matter which side, just one of them. So you have something like this. Then what you're going to do next is you are going to take the top part that has the one sheet on top and you're going to put it on your extra sheet of paper just in case you are using markers, okay? So what you're going to do next is you're going to take your black marker, whatever, and you're going to make an eye just so it looks like that, okay? And it's alright, you're going to go, to help you, it goes up, okay? So that way you don't flip. So it should be something like that, okay? And then what you're going to do next is you're going to make a heart in the middle. Doesn't have to be perfect. I think that's what gives it character. And if you have trouble, that's okay. You can start from the bottom and go to the top, and you're going to make a heart just like that. And then then you're going to make a U. And if you have trouble going up and back up, down and back up again, you can start from the middle and go up on one side, like that. And then you're going to go the opposite way, and so you should have something like this now. So what you're going to do next is you're going to unfold the whole thing, and you're just going to draw a picture inside, draw hearts, draw flowers, whatever you want to. Just decorate it as long as you want to, however you like. But make sure you complete these two hearts. So now you have two hearts, okay? Then what you're going to do next is you're going to draw flowers, hearts, whatever you want in the middle. Okay, so this is what I did with mine. I made some hearts and I made some flowers. It's okay if it's not perfect, and I make a little smiley face with the U. So after this you are going to color it however you like, and you're done. Alright, until then, I'll see you guys next time, alright? Bye!